Okay, now for our focus lesson, we have the age problems here. We got I do, we do, and you do. Let's take a look at example number 1 for the I do. Now, Sam is 3 years older than John. If the sum of their ages is 33, how old are they? So right now we got Sam and John. So I'll go ahead and write Sam and John. Now from the problem, it says here that Sam is 3 years older than John. But my question is, how old is John? So the problem here is we don't know how old is John. We know that Sam is 3 years older than John, but we don't really know the age of John. So I'll go ahead and use X for John. So John's age is X. Why X? Why A, B, C, or any variable? That's because we don't know how old John is. So, but we know that Sam is 3 years older than John. And if I'm thinking about 3 years older than John, and John is X, so that means Sam's age will be X plus 3 because he is 3 years older plus than John's age. There you go. So now I have the Sam's age, I have the John's age. So I'll go ahead and go to the next sentence, which is the sum of their ages is 33. So that means if I add these two, if I add them, the sum will be 33. So my equation will be X plus 3, that's Sam's age. If I add it to John's age, which is X, then I will get 33. Now the question is, what's going to be the value of X? Now to solve for X, we know that if we have X and X on the same side, now that we're adding them together, X plus X should give you 2X equals, see that see this 3, we need to move it over, becomes minus 3. Now 33 minus 3 is 30, and divide both sides by 2. X is equal to 15. Now who is 15 years old? Now according in the given, we got X for John, so that means John is 15 years old. So John is 15 years old, while Sam is 15, X plus 3, which is 15, plus 3 is 18. Now, how do we check our final answer here? Let's see. Here, according to the problem, if we add the ages of Sam and John, we get 33. Let's try 18 plus 15 equals 18 plus 15 is, yes, it is 33, which is also the given the problem. And that's about it. Now, let's try number 2. Let's try this one. Let's try the we do. Okay. Kelly is 12 years younger than Michelle. So right now we got Kelly and Michelle. So I don't want to write a lot of those letters. So I'll go ahead and use K and M. Okay. K and M. I'll use this now. Okay. K and M. Okay. Now Kelly is 12 years younger than Michelle, but the problem is, do we know how old Michelle is? No, we don't. So Michelle is next year's old, while Kelly is 12 years younger than Michelle. That means it will be X, because Michelle is X years old and Kelly is 12 years younger. So I'm going to make it minus 12. But for the second part, if the sum of their ages is 66, so that means if you add them together, the equation will be x minus 12 plus x. It will be equal to 66. Now here we go again. Easy equation, easy to solve. We'll go ahead and solve this. X plus x is 2x. Now we move that minus 12 over, becomes plus 12. Using your mental math, 66 plus 12 is 78. Dividing both sides by 2, x is, what is 78 divided by 2? Is it 39? There you go. Now, let's go back to the question. How old are they? Now that we solved for x equals 39, who gets 39 years old? Who is 39 years old from the problem? Here we go. So x equals 39. Michelle is x. So that means Michelle is 39 years old. Okay. Now, how about Kelly? Kelly's x minus 12. That is 39 minus 12. So what is 39 minus 12? It will be 27. Okay. So here we got Michelle is 29 years old. Kelly is 27 years old. Here we go. For the last example, Valerie's age is half the age of her brother. If the sum of their ages is 72, how old are they? So here we got Valerie and her brother. Now, how old is the brother? From the problem, we don't know. The brother is x, so but the brother gets the x. While Valerie's age is half of her brother. Okay, so Valerie is half. Once again, if you hate fractions, we can always use 0.5. So 0.5 of her brother's age. Here we go. But the sum of their ages is 72. So if we add them together, 0.5 plus x equals 72. So 0.5 plus x should be 1.5x equals 72. Then we divide both sides by 1.5 just to solve for x. X is equal to, I need a calculator for that. 72, oh no. Give me a sec. 70, oh no. I messed up. 72 divided by 1.5, the answer is 48. 48. Now, who is 48 years old? Of course, that's x. X is 48. Divided by x is 48. So that means the brother gets the 48. So the brother is 48 years old, while Valerie is half of it. So what is 0.5 times 48? There you go, 24. So Valerie is 24, while the brother is 48. Now, if we add them together, if we add 24 and 48, I got 72, which is also 72 in the problem here. So that's about it, guys. Solving for age problems. Good luck.